Hello kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Purple color, sky blue color, black color, light green color, violet color, orange color, and yellow color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letters A, B, C, D. Letter A to Z. Let's trace A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for doll. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. Light green color. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for jaguar. Sky blue color. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. Pink color. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Purple color. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. Green color. U. U for unicorn. V. V for van. W. W for whale. Orange color. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.